let me explain you a little bit how layers are working and where can you find them. So we have the layers panel here on the right. If you don't see it, click on the menu window, layer, or just hit F7 from your keyboard and the layers will pop up. Now, let me explain you how layers are working and how can we use them in our photos. I will explain more on the layers during my image editing, but until then, this is very important, so I need to show you separately. So let's go and create an object here on top of this phone. Okay, now I created a layer and you can clearly see it here in the layers panel. This bottom part here is with layer filters. So you can filter for text. Yeah, you can see that in this document that I have here, we have 2 layers with text, no adjustment layers. We have some images and also some smart objects. You can click on this to filter off, filter on. These are just some options. Also, you have the blending modes here. So let's say you want to overlay this. It's still there, but it's just showing only a part of the black layer. You can play with this to see what the different options are. You can change the opacity of the layer using this slider here. Either you click on the text opacity and move left to right, or click on the slider here, or just go and say 50%. Okay, this is another option. Let's say you want to pick under this layer, yeah? You can use layer masks. So layer masks are very important. I'm going to use them in my editing, and you'll see different ways to use layer mask. To add a layer mask, just click on the layer and then click here to add mask. You will see a square added to your layer. What we can do now is just select a brush, and with the black you can paint over it. So you can see where is black is going to hide my layer and show the layer beneath, and what is with white is going to show the layer. So let's say I want to do something like that and it's too much. We can revert this. You can come here, switch the foreground color with the background color, or hit the X key on your keyboard and start painting with white again. And I think you already start noticing different ways we can use this masking option. If you don't want to have the mask anymore, click on the mask and drag it to this small recycle bin here. And it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this layer mask? Say yes, delete it, and now it's back to normal. If you want to add it again, just click here, add the mask, and that's it. If you want to disable it, while holding Shift key, left click on the layer mask and it will disable the mask.